Today, one of the leading lawyer or advocate from Czech Republic. He is representing all of maximum medical university in Czech Republic. He is with us, Mr. Michael. Firstly, I will welcome Mr. Michael on this Zoom meeting, and from my side, namaste.
Thank you for having me here, and namaste.
Mr. Michael, today we will discuss just about the medical universities in Czech Republic, whatsoever you are representing directly. Since there is a number of queries from India, from the parent sides as well as from the student sides, they are looking about doing their medical degree, especially from Czech Republic. And I want to ask Mr. Michael, one by one. So why Czech Republic? Why not another Schengen countries? Can you tell me about something? What benefit for doing the MBBS from Czech Republic?
Yeah, well, first of all, we are in the middle of Europe.
Okay.
Which is very convenient in order to visit other European countries.
Mm-hmm.
And compared to Western European countries, for instance,
mm-hmm.
we have Western living standards.
Very good.
And at the same time, we are a cheaper country. So that's one of the reasons to choose Czech Republic instead of choosing any other Western European country to study. At the same time, we have a long time tradition in education. Some of our universities are some of the oldest in the Middle Europe or Western Europe. For instance, the Charles University was established in 1348.
Okay.
Which is the oldest university in the Central and Western Europe. Eastern Europe.
Okay, good.
So,
and
those are the main reasons.
Main reason.
On the top of it, on the top of it, we are considered to be on the 7th position among the safest countries in the world.
Oh, great! 7th, great. This is very. If you will tell me about the medical, where this Charles University stands in the medical university, if we will Google about the best medical universities in the world, where it will stand, you have some idea it stand in 7th number, 8th number, or 13th number, some idea?
Yeah, I can tell you the Charles University in general is among the, let's say, 200 top universities, and some of the faculties among those are the Czech medical schools from the Charles universities are in the top 100 medical faculties in the world.
Oh my God, it is very good. Good. And Mr. Michael, I will ask, can you tell me approx how many medical universities in Czech Republic? Public university, how many? You have some idea?
You mean how many universities we have in the Czech Republic?
Yes. This is my questions. Approx 6 or
we have about 70 higher education institutions in more than 20 towns in the Czech Republic.
Okay. About medical universities, you have some idea? Medical universities.
We have
English
eight medical faculties at 5 different universities in the Czech Republic.
Great. And how many universities directly represented by your company in Czech?
We directly represent, you mean the faculties or the universities?
Faculties.
4 of the universities.
Both universities. Yes.
Yeah.
How many?
4.
So 4. Very
5.
Okay. 4. It means you are representing. And the students, maximum students are saying that I only want to get the admission in Charles University, not in another. Can you tell me some differentiations? Why not another medical universities in Czech Republic? Why every student is asking, I want the admission in Charles University?
First of all, the Charles University is the famous from the Czech universities because of the long-term tradition in education. I told you already it was established in 1348.
Yeah.
So it has a long-term tradition in education, and its degree is internationally recognized. However, degree from all of the medical schools, it's internationally recognized. For instance, the second oldest university, Palacký University in Olomouc. Olomouc is a small country about 300 kilometers east from Prague. Was established in 1573 in the 16th centuries.
Great.
Which is a very old university as well, and its faculty was among those first, when the university was founded. So the medical school there has a long term tradition as well. So it's considered to be one of the best in the Czech Republic as well. And the city Olomouc itself is called Oxford of the Czech Republic because it only has 100,000 inhabitants. And out of those 100 inhabitants, 20,000 are students. So the local university it's huge, and it has a very good medical school. And the students, they actually live on the campus, which is attached to the local hospital. So it's very convenient to study there as well. And this university has an online entrance exam, which gives an opportunity for students who are from longer distance countries, such as India, for instance.
It is very great. Since Charles University Faculty 1 is taking a physical entrance exam, and student can...
No, it's not. It's not true. The Charles University Medical Faculty of the Charles University in Hradec Králové will have an online exam too. And other faculties are thinking of doing online entrance exams too, but not for the next academic year. So far we will have 2 faculties that will have online entrance exam. And it's the Medical Faculty of the Charles University in Hradec Králové and the Palacký University Medical School in Olomouc. And if I say Hradec Králové, Charles University, it doesn't mean that the students get a different degree from the Charles University than those studying in Prague. The good thing about studying Hradec Králové is that all students from all medical faculties will get in the end the degree from the medicine of the Charles University in Prague, which is the one that was established in 1348. So there's no difference between studying outside Prague and in Prague.
It means there is no any differentiations either faculty 1, 2, 3, 4. Since the university is the same, it was founded in 1348. The second thing about the tuition fees. Students are asking about the tuition fees. Can you tell me about the tuition fees for medical program, for this medical degree in Czech Republic, in Europe, not in that Czech krona? If you have some idea, we need some idea.
Yeah, well, I think first I should mention, how many faculties the Charles University has. The Charles University in Prague, I am stressing this out because all of them, students from all of the faculties will get the degree from the Charles University in Prague. In the end, no matter where they study, whether they study in Hradec Králové or in Pilsner, where there is the second faculty outside Prague. But the Charles University basically has 3 medical schools in Prague, and they are called the First Faculty of Medicine, Second Faculty of Medicine, and Third Faculty of Medicine. And there are 2 medical faculties of the Charles Universities in other cities. One of them I already mentioned, it's in Hradec Králové, and the other one is in Pilsner. And the prices are different. First Faculty of Medicine is the most expensive. I would say it's I wouldn't say that it's most prestigious, but it seems to be most prestigious because it has the name First Faculty of Medicine. But the truth is that it's the biggest medical faculty from all of the 5 Charles medical faculties. So but the tuition fee is the highest. You know, it's for the next academic year, it's roughly 24,000 euros per year.
Oh,
And
24,000 euro per year. Great. Oh, very expensive.
24,000. You know, it has increased, you know, recently, and so and after that is the second faculty of medicine, which has the tuition fee in euros about 18,800 euros, roughly 19,000 euros.
Okay.
And on the other hand, you know, the third faculty of medicine has around actually this year the third faculty of medicine has dropped, you know, the price of the tuition fee compared to the last year, because last year it was the same as the second faculty of medicine, which means the 18,800 euros, whereas this year it's about 16,000 euros.
Very good. Anyhow, can you tell me the tuition fees in Palaki University, another university apart from this?
Yeah, and of course, you know, the prices for those two other faculties of the Charles universities outside Prague are similar to the second and the third faculties. So there's not big difference.
Okay.
Whereas, you know, for the tuition fee for the Palacký University, it's much lower. It's 14,000 euros per dentistry and 12,500 euros per general medicine.
Oh, great. It is very good. 12,500 euros. Nice.
Which is very, very reasonable. And even the living costs are much lower outside Prague. So, for instance, you know, outside Prague, you know, the living costs, you know, if a student lives in a dormitory are around 350, 400 euros. Whereas in Prague, it's about 700 euros and more. Oh, and I think so. This location is 300 kilometers from Prague. This Palacký University, 300 kilometers. Yeah, Palacký University. It's has very good train access from Prague. You know, there's a fast train which takes about 1 hour 40 minutes, roughly about 2 hours. Sorry, and it's actually 250, you know, kilometers from Prague, roughly. Okay. So, and on the other hand, Hradec Králové University, it's about the same time by train, you know, but there is a slower train going. Okay. But in a car, it's easy accessible within an hour, and it's the same for the Pilsner Medical School. But as I mentioned, you know, only those two in Hradec Králové and in Olomouc have online entrance exam this year. Okay, it is good. And our many of the students are looking to give the entrance exam for Faculty 1 also. That is the, I think, physical exam somewhere. They will put the centers. If our students from India, those are from India, they want to appear in that entrance exam in Faculty 1, Charles Faculty 1. So can you tell me the possibility how they will give the entrance exam? Yeah, basically they can book with our agency, and we can help them to sit the entrance exam anywhere in the world. Okay. And if we, as I told you, you know, if we have a good number of students, you know, who sign up with us, we will bring the professors to India and we will do the entrance exam on the spot in New Delhi. Oh, great. It means if we have a 30 to 40 students, those looking to sit in that exam, then possibilities like that, the university will conduct the exam in New Delhi itself. Exactly, or any other location that you know, we consider to be the best, you know, in order to do the entrance exam. Wait a minute. So then I'm telling to all of the audience, if they are looking to sit in that exam in India, so they can directly approach to Mr. Michael, even to our agencies, so that in the coming days, the university will conduct this exam in India itself if the student is more than 30. And Mr. Michael, we will continue touch with you in the coming videos. We will generally discuss
about the duration of the program, how to take a GP license, general practitioner license in Czech Republic after completing the degree, and after completing the degree, how they can practice in UK. And we will also discuss in coming videos what are the local benefit to the international students, about the whether student have entitlement for part-time job or any concessions, any scholarships. These type of discussion we will discuss in our coming videos. And I am also giving the thanks to you. You have given us your prestigious time, your precious times to us for this wonderful information to all of the viewers, those watching our channel, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Thank you again for having me there, and I'm looking forward to our further conversations. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Dhanya. Thank you.